Everyone, we're here at the Racetrack car washing on Bathurst. So we are going to be getting ultimate wash. Just listen for his weight. Yep. Here we go. So it's a PDQ LaserWash 4000. Now what this thing's going to do, Dad, when the dryer starts, it's going to toe and hinge the dryer. So you can get going. So yeah, have a look at this. Yep. Be careful. Those high pressure. These are the undercarriage. Remember, laser wash machines will always have them. So yep. Here we go. Yep, the back's closed. And machine starting. So what's interesting, Dad, is that when the wash bar moves, the drying bar does not.
Okay.
But that's going to move at the end, towards the end of the wash. Yeah. That's a very good coating of pre-soak. So this was a former Aquarius car wash. What's it doing now? Doing more application foam. Yep. Yep. They might be onto the high pressure wash now. Nope. One more pass, I think, of the pre-soak. Okay, now I think it's doing the high pressure wash. Smells nice. Here we go. Yep. Here we go. Works all right. Yep. So now we are having. Oh, this one's got the tri-foam as well. Ours doesn't have that. The one in Mitchell does not have that. Protectant. Smells nice.
Oh, very nice.
I think it's onto tri-foam. Look at this. See there?
Bloody hell, I thought we had to drive forward.
Like I said, Mum,
Yeah.
they have the ability to tow and hitch the dryer. And they actually move this time too. So yeah, you don't often see this in the American ones. Moving dryers. This is very new to me. So, look there, going over the roof. This is amazing.
Driver worked like a champion too.
Yeah.
Best dryer we've used so far this trip.
You know, this is actually the same dryer than Mitchell. Exactly the same dryer. They're actually laser dryers. Did you know that the original LaserWash machine that this one's based off is actually made by a New Zealander? These things were invented by a New Zealander.
That's surprising.
Even though, but they're actually owned by an American company.
Yeah.
But so the guy who invented the original LaserWash machine was invented by a New Zealander. It was a New Zealander. So yeah.
Nice.
There you have it.
There you have it, eh?
I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.